Missing American citizen, Egypt McKizia has been found.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The police are reporting that Egypt McKizia, the 29-year-old American woman who reportedly went missing, has been found. The police on Friday issued a release stating that they were seeking the public's assistance to locate the female, who is of a Nebraska address in the United States of America. Authorities at the time said she was last seen in downtown Kingston on Friday, December 28. The police said a search was carried out to locate the female, and they were later informed that the female had returned to the location where she was staying while in the island, and is said to be in good health. No additional details were provided on the matter.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.